Tayamunuia ia Samoa. Tātou tau whai I awa tasi ma tātou patipatia. Ele leile atua. Ia souma. Ele leile atua. Wa pine ile nei tai ao lo na lo fatau muli muli ia te oe maa. Tātou au dia ile nei tai ao ele manuia. Wai titia I talai mala. Wa tele talai manu. A wa tātou toe whairoa. Ile nei tai ao marani asofo. Wa surungia le atunu I le osoa e o le la ile tai ao. Malo tāu sia wala whai mai I whanunga le lei o le asofo. Ile tau mutea. Nala I le tai au nei. Ia, ma whaisa oe te talo. Whawhatai I le atua ona lana pule whasoifua. Wana teitai mai oe malu ainga. Wa tātou whailo ai e nei tai au ilo nanga le lei. Talo fa Samoa le atunu pele. Wa wha malo le folau, wa wha malo fo le tawata I whi au mangaruenga o le vaiasa. O te iloa e tele o tutua noa I le marofia. A mei sea I tau singa o ainga I le tu ma le tu o le rarang. Mangaruenga whaiso I le aso ma le aso. Onisi na taulo wha moe moe onisi. Ele I manuia. A ole a le a whaine tele lea. O le tai au nei. Malo wala whai mai I le nei tai au. O se pine wha mau o le au e o le tātou patipatia le atua le tai au nei. Ia. Bea fo le masa ni ele wha au au lola por kalame. Ea whea tu ma wha talo wha tu. I ta mā matina mātutua o le atunu. O lo o tō muri muri ta ia. Le nei por kalame malana au o nanga. O whea le atunu ue tā milo I ele por kalame ne. E wheiloa ia ma le atunu uma mai le anganga whawhetai. E whawhetai lau tō te talo. Ta mā matina mātutua le atunu. Ia mana manatu le ne whawata penane tamaiti. Ia se vai vivela vane lo ngutu ma le tai ao. Ia wai alo alo mai fu po la sta pena ngar por kala me le tai ao. Nei, ia talo fa marolo se fua. Ni se fo tatu o malanga se si mai asi mai ro tatu o tunu nei Samoa. Malolo malanga ria. Welcome home. Mo ila tau wa malanga ya se si mai le tunu mo le uru e temi. Welcome to our home. Mana manatu ia manuia mafuanga na malanga mai ile atu. Nei, ia. Tatu tala me fa solo la ngai faisi umi o le tatu por kalame le tau. Nei, a ole i vatua la le tatu por kalame le tau nei. Ia. Si fa e mo tu mo le anga le o si va anga le o lo lango lango mo pe le tatu por kalame le asto na I ma le asto na. Tatu fa wa wa ile le tau.
Now that is beautiful.
You think that's beautiful? Look at this.
Nah. Waves without crowds. This is beautiful.
No, this is beautiful. Come on now, this is beautiful.
No. She is beautiful.
But how's this for beautiful?
No, this is beautiful.
This is beautiful. And this here is beautiful. And how are you beautiful? Good morning. Welcome to Etlive. Still broadcasting live from Samoa on this beautiful Saturday morning. How are you beautiful people? Seki. Dali. No fa yatu le prokolamena nafi. Watoalo na loto. She's 17 now. A very successful, tough academic student attending one of the top college in Samoa. Na whaamatala mai I te au. She wanted to tell me her story. The story is she was raped when she was she was just 11. First, by the father's friend, and then her own grandfather twice. Wala fa fonga iai I lana tala na whaamatala mai I te au. E tawalunga iai li porokalame. Lana I tai au. I'm hoping o lea whaatalanoanga, o le a whaaloto tele ai oe, o loo sei I sa wanga I whai ia oe. Ai lema whai ona e tautala. Pe ua e musu e te tautala matau. E te walunga I ere porokala mele te au. Now I know ina ua whai atula o tala na po. E to tele ni sio le atunu. Sa comments mai lunga tatu porokala me. They felt it. Na la ngona e una tolotu. E ropo ti ngā, po le ti ngā lofa, po e malingiro I mata ona sa tupu ai se mea whapea. Ia po wa misi lofa I le whanau. O le a wili ili e lea ta maitai, le tala atoa, o le mea na tupu. Tai hao ni fo. E ui na umiri vai aso o uta amile sue. Ona o la tua tuangi e le marfia o le au fai pisinisi. Ai whawhataina maua le avanoi le aso na fi. O te tala no ai I se tasi o tamali I ana, se tasi o whaitali malo tele. Mai au mai ele whaamatala ngole mea na tupu. Ile whaitali malo. I tūlisi mai seina ia na whea le atunu. O moana whaafonga le tātou atunu. I whaamatala ngā a I lātou. Sa fia I foi. Ma manu I ai. I le mea kause lengi. E ui no leo wa tāo whiniwa. Ono le tūla whono ale malo wa la aloa ili tilo ale company mai Hong Kong na tapena ina le mele nei. Au le tala fifia e toe a mata o na hanga I mai tūrisia. I le masina o Setema. O le tausanga nei. Ana pōfu. Au iele me tau putou tūrisi. O maua le tala. Le la koe foi, me le aka foi le nga pu e Samoa lea. Survival. But at the moment, this is coming from one of the businessmen in Samoa. At the moment, Survivor Crew is looking for 100 rental vehicle. 100 rental vehicle. Rafsiri Kele, do we have 50 rental vehicle? And most of them must ka avali rent ka ko. What do you think? Fix furu. But 100? Wow. Tato au fai company rental. Ta pena u to sa. Ole ato e saule survivor. Ole e su e ngana ko ka avali. Fa fo ila tala tu la matananga mal tamali ana le fatel malo. Tele fa manianga al fatel malo le maua. Au fie me le fa poponga o lana au finga luenga sale masani ai. Ona ua. All of a sudden, o savali mai tonu tulisi mai seina. Malana fo I fautuanga. Ile fa a wai o le por kalame. Moro tato tenu. Ai mo mua le por kalame le tau ne. O nafisa la wai le fa msinonga ale atunu. Le fa salanga o sa tina. Na mali waila na tama. This is por el wafis for di mai meni. Na mali waila na tama. Ina ua la vea I le maa na ia tongi ina. Now te iloa. Tō te lau le tātua tunu ina ua maua le tala mo le uru I teimu. Nā sore la ngona alofa onisi na ele yo se la ngona alofa. But ua finangalo ia e sau e whaise tala I lungo le tātua proklame na ua fisiringia. A olona tā ua o le nei mea. O le sona ua o ina e ia whaatasi ai ma I lātou o lo whaia le melea a e le I maua. Nā le meli tui o le lima ke I whānau. O le lima te I whānau. E lau whakwala ngafi. E le ai a koe kiki ale se makua. E aloma I le mele o lea. O le mea wakaua koe a wakoro. O le mea wakaua koe kongi. O le mea voia wakaua koe karo. Ai ale maua se mea ai laka mai. Tua patatua. A o tua patatua. O le ngai o inga lea. Lea la. Ua maliu waila na tama. I le maana ia tongina e te tauna la veailes. Ai ko losi fo malana tama. Afi ai. A ole le sona le lei. Mo tato uma. Ko kele fo kako. E ofo ika riskimi. Vafe rika. Yeah, we're all humans. O kako uma o kanka soifu. Ele o ngi angit. But e iai isi tangata. E mawhai o na lātou tau fia. Lea mea. O reita. Ai ale leila o le tau fia. O le mana ia masolo le leo mawhauwhaunga I lau whai mo e whai. Pe a whai nau sa whai o e matei o whafuse I o e. I leita. E whamaisia o le ikol merki aporo. Really? O inga whai maka ngawa. Ngawa fo ia Yesu ia ngaika. Ioi, ngai ke rol menga ko kama ia le whaar. Pero le longona e a fio mai tātou. A ole na se senga la. Ole tāo fio fi. Malava non sa. Ya, ole a matatu le tātou whaatanonga le tāo ni. Ole whaatanonga ma le tina. Ma o se whale a onga le lei ele ngata mo ia. Ai mo so o se matua. A meisi tātou. E whaia tātou whanau. Watch this. O le tina ia Susana. O le so na lawai le ungolo na whaamsinonga. Na tongi le maa. Na la vea ele tasi o lana whanau. Sa le ta tau o na la vea. E se le tangata na tongi ai. Ai ua la vea ai ia lana tangateine. O na ve mai le tausanga e lua fesfulima. Tatu kol whawlawe. Ale so. Na lau wai le whae ungo le tinama le whaasalanga watuina ia ia le whaamisinonga. O le amatanga le mataupu nema le whina wina. E le tū na tau. Sifuru tausanga. Ia le lalo mai o le sifuru tausanga. O no ua maliu le tangata. Hao le tolo longa le fionga le tamai te i whaamisinga. Ua o le whae unga. Ele se furu tausanga. Aena o le se furu ma le lua masina. Awa o le whaasalanga e tatau mo le tina na i wha o le o tilana tama. O lona nofo i aso o totoe o lona soifu ma lona i loa o lana tama na mali o na oia. Tangu uli te whamsi. O le a lava le tele o whaasalanga e whaia le whamsinonga e tuinga mataku whape. Ana me siri le taua. Ia oa oina tātou ua. I le mata upu o le a oa oina oa tātou whānu. Kule wapetani e discipline. I le uma whatasi matina ia Susana i kukarani. I le iasa Susana. O sau neli unga le whaamsinonga i le so. Ai tātou te tai i tua. O la le mena.
Ya, is nang vaya ule salam hor ke minga kupoile. Ala vese ukam. Ya, nang vaya ka ikale. Makeke. Oleika ma fuain kupunginya.
O tongi wala vea ele mali wai temina na ona tingai a o oe wa amata ona e pole pole ino wa te alouta.
Ya, paftaya me le fisit. Ya, teminga kupoi le fafika le sauka. Ya, ole la fise ya imolonga uso. Ya lunga unga lo le maa uvelonga ko ila ya le kemila. Ya, o lo pongsanga o tafiafi pongsa ka kupoile. Sa fai mako sa singa mako mia ai ma. Ya ingarang kamu ko lang uso ari tasi. Folo ko memang ai ko. Au velo ko ai le maala ve ai longa ia. Ya la ko ile maakau ai le kulang avali. Kangi. Lo wa ka ka le maa. Fa mai king ki dai kang ya aneta ringo. Kangi anet. Ya dai mama lam ang ka keminga lo. Iba pe ko no ro sia wan. Ya salo yo longo usonga fa me ke ori tas fa me ke na wakangi anet. Kinga longo. Ya ko ura pa ngo ko kom fa inde ma wa lo fa sa kam. Fa ingu pen ko roma. Fulongo lauki.
O ia le maliu la le temina tau wai le maa. La le temina na ilo ua mali.
Ya, o ke miu amai le farma.
I le afia la.
Dei kaiau.
I le aso na so.
So le afiafinga la ponga. Nga fa inu ko fo fa ingu lau fa ingu penkolo ma fo lauki. Yang ma fang ko yang ai po wa me la le okay nga ia.
Al taiau.
Al mam fa kaiau so ai nga Amerika malai. Ya le ka ukola nga finger le fale. Ya Amerika nang kama. Pe isia ko makala ni kiri pipilo ai la. Pakora yang o velo ko ya li tasi ai la ve ko nga ia de ma. Si irang kama ile baku rumah palang kinga. Faka ukoi nga faka di sek vidi ave fa ma. Ya so pisinga le tua Samoa ke minga wa pisi ka vale wa fio vilingi jaksi ke minga ia la kolele ka vale le awa onga makoro ave lo sau kamai fane mai ba ko ala area failanga CD pu ia ma failang ko fikinga failanga kui ia ma kusei mala u mo sengi la ka ko ngai ia ba ko ala ia
Ole tina ia Susana. Ole so na lawai le ungolo na wha amsinonga. Na tongi le maa. Na la vea ele tasi o lana whanau. Sa le ta tau o na la vea. E sel tangata na tongi ai. Ai ua la vea ai ia lana tangateine. O na ve mai le tausanga e lua fesfulima. Datu koi whawhlawe. Ale so, na lau wai le whae ungo le tinama le whaasalanga watuina ia ia le whaamisinonga. O le amatanga le mataupu nema le whina wina e le tū na tau. Sifuru tau sanga. Ia le lalo mai o le sifuru tau sanga. O no ua maliu le tangata. Hao le tolo longa le fionga le tamai te i whaamisinga. Ua o le whae unga. Ele se furu tau sanga. Aena o le se furu ma le lua masina. Awa o le whaasalanga e tatau mo le tina na i wha o le o tilana tama. O lona nofo i aso o totoe o lona soifu. Ma lona i loa. O lana tama na mali o na oia. Tang mai te whaamsi. O le a lava le tele o whaasalanga e whai le whaamsilonga e tuinga mata o whape. Ana me sigi le taua. Ia o a oina tātou uma. I le mata o le a o a oina o a tātou whāno. Pulu whapetani e discipline. I le uma whatasi matina ia Susana i kukarani. Le yasi, Susana. Sau nele unga le whaamisinonga i le so. E tātua te tai i tua. O la le mene.
ia is launga whai a ule salamor ke minga kupo ile ala vese o kam ia launga whai a ka ika le makeke o le ika ma fua in kupo nginia
Ua tongi, ua la vea, ele mali wai temina. Na ona tingai, a o oe, ua amata ona e pole pole ina ua te alouta.
ia whawhataya me le fisit ia te minga kupo i le whawhikau le saukam ia o le lawhese ia i molonga uso ia lunga unga lo le maa uwe longa koe la ia le kemina ia o lo pongisanga o tafiafi o pongisa ka kupo i le sa fai mako sa singa mako mea ai ia ingarang kamu ko lang uso ari tasi folo ko memang ai kuwa au velo ko ai le maala via ilonga ia la ko ile maakau ai le kulang avali kangi do wa ka ka le ma fa mai king ki dai kang ia aneta ri mu kangi anet ia la mama la mai ka keminga lo ia pe ko no ro ki ia Saro yung long usong ha, pamay kaya wari tas, pamay kaya nawakangi anit sa kingalong o. Ya, kuulva pa ungo ukokom, pwede umayawa lo fesa kami. Fai ngupeng kolong ma, fulong o lauki.
O ia lei maliu lai le temi na tau wai na maa. La le temi na ilo wamari.
Ya, o kimi wa amay le falma.
Ile afia la.
Dai kayau.
Ile ason so.
So le fafinga la ponga. Nga foi no ko fo fai mo lau fai mo pen ko lo mo fo lau ki. yang fang ko yang ai po wa me la le okay ngai ya
le tae
al mam fa kaya so nga emir kamalai ya le ka ukola nga finger le fale ya kamera kan kama pe isia ko makala ni kiri pipiro ai la pakora yang o velo ko ya li tasi ai la ve ko ngai de ma si irang kama ile bakui rumah palang kinga faka ko ngai faka di sek vidi ave fa ma ya so pisinga le do Samoa ke minga wa pisi ka vale wa vio vidi ni taxi ke minga ya la ko le ka vale le awa onga makoro ave lo sa kama fa ma iba ko ala ire fa nanga city pu ya ma fa nang ko fikinga fa nga kui ya ma kushe mala mo sengi la ka ko ngai ya bakala ya kosole pokunga kipi growa ya ma failang ka okongam ya bakwa kosole pokul ICU ya ngamaliwa ngai ngai fa ma
maliwa ila ile aso la vale
ya aku
ya
aku le fa ya so male afro va ya so
la so la mona susana o le o to e mai le famsi le ava no lo no hua o e a wa le mai no ai ma lu tsata o le un famsi no le wa mai to e mai le ava no ai a to e ui ni lappe o lo ti te fatina o la so la mona
na ngonga lo popoli ya na ngoya ke ole salamo mong ya mo le ali ya na ngonga fa ya ke au ya ole kueso le taya
ya
wa ole taya le simere wa mala mai fonga le sianga ya fa fikau ringa me ole ya awa avenge me kupuma vai mau inga ya ke au tinai ya fa ya inga makeu simere le moa ya awangi koe o osa udima ngenyo
wa ngale so na mo ile me ne ole sasa ino fana
sa wai ngo fa ngau
e ki ko sa sala fana
ne ya
ala me la fa
palme ya a ubika urunga sa vari es ya ki ai ya ko fo mala ya mo fai ba wa ilo fa ngau awa ko fai semi
la lo fa sala ngale o mail fa
o fo vai
le atu de lo
fo vai ma makul ma wan ma kang kongol sa mo written support ya onga ya ngala wa inga ma fo kuanga mangaku fa ya onga written support mo ya keu mau ya usini ya onga ya le me anga mo ya ke awai o ke re suinga ya
mana ir fa mangal
ko wa nga ma ko le ai ko mu ai kali si
la mangal to mau ai no su ai su sana fingal ngo do maru ai
ke le fingal nga ka ma ngo ko wa fa ngo
e fa ngo ia su aya
we ai mu fo ai ka ma
i se si business tu ya yo lu ese mai le favor to ina
yang ale ngiwa ke sau amai fa ka se ring
o te mau ai ngana na fa lo
lango mau
officer swani la na te mau ai ga ai mo ai
aso
tu fiena yo walo le ni
ya ko aiva ne ko aiva ma
tu fieta mai fieta
ka sele kama ai iva kengi
a o le wo mali wo lo na fiet fa na
lungkot ya cawal lum makwa kawal la kiki ya la kiki foi kengi foi la pepe na ya Lua pa masing.
Ole te mila le tu po le va na foi te mama fa.
Ne.
Ole pepe muli
Muli
ya la sa utale faitina umai. Wakala mo nya susa na se ko ti kere nga se mama le melia. Ole me ka ngo poi a wa ko. La sa tala mai ya oe. Wa vena ni fale o ngamu. Le so na le.
After mo la bano tama. Ya. Wa isi umma ya fafikau kup. Ini ya kako lalu langi wa sa ngai kako ma Puanga mo. Fikau dio ya.
Favor proclame pe mai.
Ya ene pe nga wa ku poingi.
Now that is beef.
You think that's beautiful? Look at this.
Nah. Waves without crowds. This is beautiful.
No, this is beautiful. Come on now, this is beautiful.
No. She is beautiful.
Now how's this for beautiful?
No. This is beautiful.
Sua. O le maua. O le whalitali malo o le Samoa traditional. Sa tali malo I turisi mai saina. Na whea le tātua tunu. O rau sunga ana le whalitali malo. Isi whaisa wha matalanga. O la se wha monianga. Seleni. Na maua le whalitali malo. Pe a fua I le tapunino le lalangi le ngai. Wadi makausanga. Ele I toe te I le tūlisi e Samoa. E ka ko ke foro runga ai palasi mo le makuri se sai fai se fa mitala
ia hafika ia ole pauane me siling ka wa mafai e on ko ka penga inga wa longo mai ole a au mai a kurisi ngai ia le la sama ko e ka penga I lo fa ka malo wa penga I sa ngo o le van ka ki ia o ke le foi la ia va nga wa facility wo le operational ia ole kele a foi o le loko a mo kula mo penga sa ku ula ele malo si ka penga inga ia mfai onga ia ele ai se fesilingi ole mele o ko o mai ia tourist that's le mfai nga ko fesilingi se si ole o ko o mai kuli si samo o pawaro se senga se foi le breed of tourist o masanga ka ko kuli si New Zealand Australia America ia Europa ia pe se ro kai mire o mai ku lisinge mai senga ia se foi la le marco experience for inge ku lis al memo mo pe nga fa sili io nga fully booked ma ko far kan malo perhaps after a very long time ia mal mero
o fa fully booked
mal mero ngolua ia nga si de fia a on fully booked ia mengi far kan maro ia ekele demand si lungo o requirements so ngale peole ia ole ka penga ingo ka mafkanga ia me fa penga ia e ka nga o kele ma ko fa ka nga vai kai mi mo meio o ka pisi o vegetables nga e ni ia ele nga kai dia ia o fa ka ngo mo o ia kele supply nga required so
vena ele fa tau mai ka pisi ma le vegetable
maka mai ko an makongu fa solo mai ya lungo la ora kele make ya pela o fai mama sangi vo le ora fi kuli le alunga fa pele kule o so ku I ya le sa wa ko nga kele make ki au
o benefit e foi la foi market le ia
ele ai se feeling ia nga va nga power me nga iroinga wa ma foi nga runga ka wa la wa iroinga wa kaulia ia fu fa ko anga.
But also talk about the increase of your staff. We got from lockdown to all of a sudden is fully booked.
Ia kasi nga benefit ko mo yo sing. Wa ko fa popo ma ko fa nga luenga. Ia every time fa popo la fa nga luenga. O nga fakia nga kong. Ia kala ma sing is ma ko inga fa mai. Nga fakia nga kongi nga ka fa nga luenga o nga wa o mai nga ka so ngi nga ainga ia fika kula e ka mine nge yo ku lisia nga mai nge ia ku sa o tapor ma ko tripor ma ko o fa nga luenga asa wa mai ko lima nga ko lima
ala
ia o fa popo isi ainga se fulu e mo wa ku so ngi ya ma ko il ka mi nga ku lis ia o le si fo e me ma ko mai ka wing e fai asi se senga pe ngo fa ko e senga kulisi or first time leo o se experience
because leu fa na te I want to ask you
ore senga o se fo io la ko manga onga ia se fo ia la ko winga ma mionga fo e fai kongo of you know le kusa fo ma le kulisi ka ko masangi mai ai so o ngisi kaimi ma ko roinga ile I lava ka penga ma ko mo le fo ko nga kulisi ai pe ka nge umange le lua vai aso le ia le uma ko mo ko yo ka kala ko o ma ko iska ke expert ngi ka ringo sai ai I me manga o ai fo ile ko nga ku ia ko nga kulis
look forward ala o su e to fa wino malanga ne ya se te
so se aki nga e a fo ile le mangu ai se ku it has to be sustainable
yep
okay e lo confidence le fa nga malo ka ko fa nga malo ngi vai ken e ma fa nga respond le shot le awa ava pele ma fa nga respond uno ngo var ku li man ngi ya va ngo ma ka ngo fi
let's go talk about the respond if you were in the government la mele ke mga respond ye
ora ko nga respond ai ma sa ngi ya ku a me sia ku la ki fa penge pe o ka ko ya kam fa ye e develop le ka ko infrastructure ele nga ka fo le nga see how we can assist ile ma facilitate yang I fa fi ka uli po a uma me kupu ile au maingo o kulisi ngai wa ele there is no question in my mind for ele leo we brought in a few hundreds in 2 weeks a sa ngai fa ka pidionga e ka nga that's just a drop in the ocean longo winga ale le fo yonga on ka ko fa le fa nga pa anga le ele ko mo to me la ukilo ele 2 weeks le nga mai afa pe it's a real thing for le wa ma fa nga respond ele ka ko ma lo ma invest ile tourism le from China ole mo ko ke le fa manguyanga le ku ele ai se fisilingi o nga me ele nga ko increase le employment increase le purchase o meu kaumafa o handicrafts o me uma fa penga ai nga ka vonga io o fa inga ke le un pidior ma ko erkise io le pidior ma ko vai ia o le ke le ole ole impact ko nga me fa pe ile economy o sio ka ko it filters down to everyone
so from a hotel owner perspective now it's time for the government to respond.
Government has to respond. Government has to invest one way or another. They have to invest in infrastructure. Samoa, inga ia lava ka penga ka ko whakakainga o whakakai malo, beach valleys, o kako awala, ia ailenga kailea. Ia o ngai whako anga fo ia le supplier wai vai le lua vai so le nga rua sioki le vegetables nga kilo le o kele nga fa akau ia vegetables nga import mai ko Samoa I don't think that's right no winga ko nga me uma nga ka le malo invest nga ai nga ka fo nga kai mingi o le ka ko airline and if there's a problem if there's an issue with respect to bringing these people in government should see to it for ngale pe fa fair on for so angi ma facilitate le mai ngokanga
because it's pouring in millions
I
mean we ka ko va ai le go va so le ngoma e makaukia but we weren't ready
wa nga fo ila le pause le way ke mingi hopefully everyone can play who's supposed to play a role can take this time now and prepare ourselves
after also tourism industry
always has been but it's been quite significant now I may say kai mingi wo kele me ku kupu lang fa yo kaua are climate change so malanga impact ile ya ku or kele ala ka they looking for somewhere comfortable o maro roanga iai maeva nga iai and the Pacific is one of those places ese marka o tourism le coming in Pacific and don't forget I mean the global trend ale we le movement ka ngaka pe foi la singa kele yo le movement singa la langi coming And a lot of people, they're putting up facilities. They're looking at ways for them to accommodate. And that's why you can't go movements globally. But the trend now it's unavoidable. So e ka kawa fo ila ya ka ko
le tauna mata e wa tauna to participate le mele capitalize on it.
We've seen that it brings in good for us.
Yes.
But I mean, like everything else, yeah, but that's what I mean. That's where government comes in.
Yep.
Government will have to invest in ways to make sure that they can manage the input why folk fully
Akala se te masua ko avau flights ngai. Are you going to up your game?
Well, I'm very optimistic.
Yes.
I'm a true optimism. The government, if they miss this opportunity, the role of the government, this is a responsibility. Shy away development.
For the fourth time, o tanoa I se fai pisinisi sa manui le tuli sesena. Wa fane I le sunga yasua. Le fai pisinisi wana taua le upulea. Wa sioki le tapenanga. Sioki fuala au tau mfamata. Sioki ngā ruenga tau lima. Leanga ua te ia tatu. E le inga ora se vali mai ora kuri senga. Se vali mai malelu unga kupe. Le ala e whaamatala iso. Ngā maka mai o e le whangale sua ngā kapisi. Kau mai I ururor me ilu. O isi aso umaua, o isi aso walea. Lena so ilo ma le whaatawina o loa wa amai mai whafo. Ai ana tātou tā pena lai le mea. Ia, man tua whai lau o whai whiau lena whai lana, whai le company whai whanguinu ala na whanau. Lea. Ke ia le ai ngai onga ki poro, rua walen ki poro. Ai sa le masan iai. Lena lua lo le lau o whai whiau lea. Hau mai si whai whaatoanga. Lato te au mai le whala ma le tipolo, sa ngaosi e ia le whanuinu. Sa ave tau ma whai tulisi mai sei. Le fuku koe kala ku whapea. Whamilianga tau se. Leni sau. O la tala le mele o le tulisi. Pea atua te talawa lele ia se tema. We better be ready. Ka kou ka penga. Matatou iai. Walanga peo ka wange sua. E se wele kurisi maunga. E se wele kurisi maranga siwa. E le ngara poe aka. I spent. O lo tar se yo o te vet timo se tema. O tele ni si au siwa. E o mai si siwa mawhaini ala tu show. E mawani ala tu tupe. So le mele leile na. Alo whaafutai. Ya. Ka kuka penga la so te sema. O le kele nga o isi mea. O ti whamalo les fatel malo. O inae uloloa. Watch this. Lenga le tasi le fatel malo. Sa manui hai foi. I le te mire na whetu disi. I le tātou atano. Watch this. Fale tali malo o le aratoa. O le tasi nei fale tali malo. Sa fale tonu i le temi tapuni ele le rangi whama uru COVID. Amaka mani Michelle sa uru COVID. So what? Basically around 5 years. Na toe tatala atu na. Le toe anga e mai o tulisi nei le tātu watanu. After atawa mata. Ona toi a puti le anga I mai o malo. I le whaletele malo le neo le arata. Ai o le tasi nei whaletele malo. Samoa le no e tala no e ma le sunga le tamati pule o ia foi le presidente o faptonga o le social o foi fatel malo ile tunu ile mo se no e fatel no e lunga le me poeta ana i sauno mai e tau o le malanga mai e turi si mai seina ia no mai mo le vaso o se fa manianga tele mo le fale tali malo o le arta talu mai le tapuni puni na loka ile le rangi ma toi a mata na toi tau tapena e toi fa te i lunga tangata tā whao mai le atunu nei, ai palasi mai lo mare vale le saina. O tu umalava, o le whatel malo nei, lua vai aso, fully booked. Nā le winga le mea, ua saa mai le whaamni anga tau sele ni na malanga mai masaina nei. Na nofa le whatel malo, o se whao la tōtong, ua toi whaatele ai mai le au whinga luenga, ua toi whaapopoia la tō ngā luenga, ma o se whaamni anga tau sele ni, ua toi se saa mai le whatel malo. Wa toe faa wai le au nanga ala toa. E ui no o lea, wa tau fiwa le, wa toe faa wau ia se tema. A le faa mtalanga le sunga le tamate pule ia te au. O se faa o la totonga. Because mo ila tau e ana wharitele malo, na paua le mea mana na o iai. Ia tau tumu wharitele malo. A tumu wharitele malo, ta saa mai le susi o sele ni. Maua ngā ruenga leo whainga ruenga a o se whaamanu ianga foi mo le tātua tunu i tupe maua. O le fasili tele a toe i ala va lele ia se tema o le a se tali atua tātou. And are we ready? Le usau ni le whalitali maro ala orto. Ia whai ngaki malanga mai se kemi ki ka whao mai ngi ka kua kungu malua inga. Check this out. Wa o lo accommodate i o lo so swani foi lea e le tamau a inga o le tātua tunu. La whalitato marolonga. Foi mai lo le marolonga. O le whatalanga le atau runga le tātua proklame i le tau nei. O se furufitua na tausanga. Ai o lo tua ia. Na whamalosi na ia e le ua lona tamaa. Whaapea hai malona grandfather. Twice. But I don't know if I'm telling to the mele. Ele mawhai o no whai loa. Ona fōringa. Wa o sui fo i lona leo. Ina ia awa i lawa ni mata ia. A o lana tala. O te manatu. O le a veo se whalea onga mo le tō tele o tātou. Lea mai ala tātou malolonga lea. We'll be right back right after this.
Now that is beautiful.
You think that's beautiful? Look at this.
Nah. Waves without crowds. This is beautiful.
No, this is beautiful. Come on now, this is beautiful.
No. She is beautiful.
Now how's this for beautiful?
No, this is beautiful.
How old are you?
I'm 17 years old.
What stories you want to share with me?
Okay, today I want to share my story of my life and how I used to live before.
This when you were, how old were you then?
I was 5 years old.
When you were 5?
Yes.
Okay, let's start from there.
Start from 12 years before. 12 years before, one of my dad's friends came to our house, and he found me there. that is when he raped me. At that time, I did not understand what he had done to me. I only thought that he only said it was just a game. In my mind, it was such a harsh game to me. I did not want to face it. But then from growing up, I understood what happened to me. But still, I remained silent because I didn't want to I didn't want to go back to the past. Because growing up, I was surrounded by good people at school, at church, and I've learned that they always say forgive but do not forget. Just let the past be in the past. So I just thought it's no big deal. What's done has been done. Just move on from it.
This person came to your house was your dad's friend.
Yes.
Who was at the house at the time when it happened?
It was just me. Mom was working. I did not know where my dad was at that time. My dad's parents, my grandparents, they went somewhere with my older brothers. So I was the only one at home. So yeah, he found me there. But then he first asked for my parents, and I told him where they were. I don't know where my dad was, but my mom was working. But then that's when he started asking me if I could play a game with him.
This when you were 12?
No, when I was 5 years old.
5?
Yes.
This dad's friend, do you know him?
Yes. Yeah, I still see him now until now, but I barely get close to him because I don't want to. True, I've forgiven him, but I don't want to remember what happened.
He is still around.
Yes, he's still around.
He's still your dad's friend.
Yes. Times when he comes at our house, I just keep my distance. Just let them do what they're doing. I just stay in my own little space, away from them.
So this first incident, you haven't told anybody?
I've never told anyone.
What was the other time?
Well, the other times were incidents with my grandfather. He tried to force himself on me, but I managed to escape my grandfather at that time. It was when I was 11. It was a normal morning for me because I get to wake up very early to help my parents get ready for work and to start preparing my siblings' uniforms for school. It's just that every morning I used to go and check up on my grandfather if he's all right. But then I came to him and he was already awake at that time, and he hugged me and started to lead me into the room, and that's when he tried to force himself on me. I gave him the excuse that that the iron was still on, and I had to go in case the uniforms get burnt. And so I left him in that room, and I came out as straight away as fast as I could. And I started waking up my siblings and told them to just wake up with me and start getting ready for school. That was my first incident with my grandfather. Oh no, it was no. I wasn't 11. 11 was the second incident, but the first incident I was probably 9 years old. I was 9 years old at that time.
This incident between you and your grandfather, how did you feel after that?
I felt very uncomfortable, and it reminded me of the first incident that happened with my uncle or with my dad's friend. It it was very shocking as I never thought a member of a family can do such a thing, and I barely wanted to tell my dad, but I already know my dad's relationship with my grandfather. They're barely close.
This is your dad's dad.
Yes. My dad is, to be honest, he's quite a spoiled person. Well, ever since my grandmother died, he's been verbally abusing my grandfather, and it makes me feel sorry for my grandfather a lot. And I care for him so much, and knowing that he did that to me that morning, it was very unbelievable to me because because my grandfather is the only religious person in my family, and he's always the one caring for us kids, and I thought he's the only one we can turn to. It turns out he was waiting for the time to do that, and so I really wanted it to talk about it to someone, but I just couldn't because I couldn't say anything about my grandfather because in my family I'm the only one. My dad's family has been spending a lot on me, especially me, and I didn't want them to think that I'm an ungrateful person and that I take them for granted.
Your grandfather's still around?
Yes.
You still haven't told the story to anybody, even to your dad?
No.
Was there any other incident after your grandfather's?
Yes, I had two incidents with my grandfather. There were times where there was a time he sexually touched me, but then he joked about it. But then to me, he was serious at first. But then knowing that I've grown up to understand things that are not right, he just joked about it. It's like
Joked about it with who?
with me. Just the time when we were alone, he just does it, and then he's like joking about it was just an accident. I can tell it was. I can tell he had intentions to do so, and so I just dismissed the thoughts and just try to just forget about it. I didn't wanna let it bother me, so I kept it to myself. I just thought it's all right. It's just my grandfather. Yeah, and I thought if I did tell someone, that means I don't love my grandfather. And you know how it is with us. We just care for our elders, and I have a thing. I really care for elders. I love my grandparents. Growing up, I barely had a grandmother. I only had my grandfather around, and he was the only one who supported me with school. And I thought it's alright, just leave it. Uh, I love my grandfather. He's the only one who loves me right now. He's supporting me a lot. He's investing a lot on me. So it's just small things. I just regarded these incidents as small things that happen in life, and it doesn't matter.
Why do you want to talk to me now? Why do you want to tell everybody your story?
Because growing up, reaching my teenage stage of life, my father has been a person who always thinks badly of me. He compares me to my mother when she was young, who he thinks I would do the same mistakes as her. And there's not a day that passes by that he doesn't remind me of it. And every time it just reminds me of what I've been hiding all these times. Like everything he's told me to avoid, everything he's been accusing me of doing, I've been trying my best to avoid. But all those things are forcing themselves on me. And knowing that the people who's done it to me are the very people who's supposed to be protecting me.
And these people are still around you now.
Yes. They are still around.
You see them every day now.
Yes.
That has never changed the fact that you haven't told this story to anybody.
Yes.
What do you want to tell to young girls like your age that are going through the same but can't talk?
Always know that what has been done to you, it's not right. No matter what your relationship with that person is, it was their duty to look after you. They're older than you. It's their responsibility to be there for you, and know that their choices has ruined your life. And keep in mind that people's mistakes are not your mistakes, and do not let those mistakes ruin your life and keep you in silence forever. Because keeping it in silence and bottling up all the pain, it doesn't change anything. It will just make it worse.
Are you going to put a stop to this?
Yes,
Are you going to take this further?
yes.
Why do you want to take this further?
Because I want it to end. I don't want more of the pain from this very situation to continue on.
Do you have any young siblings?
Yes.
What about them? Are you worried that
Very.
it's not you that this been happening to and you don't know yet?
I'm very worried. I have my suspicions, and I've been doing my best to keep the girls away from them. And it's hard because every time I try to tell them, they don't understand. One of my sisters, she's been doing it. She just likes being around these people, and everything that's happened to me, she wants to happen. She wants to do it by will. I badly want to tell her how it feels. It's not right.
Where is your mother?
The current moment, she's not living with my father. She's living with her brother.
You haven't told anything at all to your mom?
No, I've never told her anything because I'm not really close with my mom. And to be honest, I don't have any close relationship with my father and mother. Because just me between them, I just do whatever they want. I'm always there just to help them out. No matter how hard it is, I'm always there. I'm willing to help them because I'm dedicated. I want me and my siblings, especially my siblings, to just live happily, and also for them to be happy.
Here's what I know. You are a top academic student attending a top college in Samoa. What motivates you? We just heard your story. But wait a minute. It's a positive ending on the other side academically. What makes you keep on going and do better?
My situation. Seeing the current situation my parents are in, I tell myself I don't want to end up like them. And I want to give them a better future. I want to look after my parents when I grow up. I want them to live peacefully. So as my little siblings. I want them to have a better life than what they have right now. And I keep that as a motivation for me every time I'm in school. Every time I feel like I'm starting to slack, I tell myself, are you gonna let this stop me, this laziness stop you from trying to give them a better future? No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna give up that easily. I want to be strong for them. Whatever hardship's gonna come my way, bring it on. I'm gonna do this for my family. I love them. I'll never stop loving them, and I'll do whatever it takes just to make them happy.
But it's your family that's been hurting you.
I know.
Make me understand.
So my family's, they've done a lot to me, but then I always look at the positive side of it. What they've done can actually teach me a few lessons. My grandfather doing that, I taught myself not to be deceived by people. I just use what has happened to me just to teach me how to deal with people, and I just told myself it's over. It doesn't matter what they've done. Their mistakes, just it's just rubbish to me. I don't really care.
So you
My family.
doing well academically is another way of you stepping on whatever's been happening in your life
Yes.
and start doing better.
Yes. I also use my academic life as a distraction from home.
Should home be a safe place for everybody, including young women like you?
Should be.
It's supposed to be. I don't know. I try to tell myself that, but what's been happening lately is just the opposite of it.
When you grow up as a young woman and have a family,
Yes.
are things going to change?
Now it's gonna change, because I finally changed the path of my journey. Because if I didn't do this, I wouldn't be living right now. The day I was gonna give up was the first time I've ever been honest about what has happened to me. The people I've told to were the first people to know. They offered a help, and so I gave it a try. I was about to give up that day. I was about to tell myself I'm done. I'm done trying. Cause I used to tell myself you won't fail unless you try. I told myself I'm so tired. I've sacrificed a lot, and like it's never enough. I've tried. It's never enough. I was so close to giving my entire life to them, but I can still see they don't care. They don't value my sacrifices for them. And so when the people who helped me, they offered to help because they said there's the brighter future for me. I was a, I was still keen on giving up, but then I thought again, why don't I just give it one more try? Just this one more try. So I let them help me. And so far, telling the truth has literally set me free. I've never felt so free in my entire life. Growing up, it feels like I've been captured within my despair of the past and the present, and I'm scared of what might happen in the future because I'm trying my hardest and nothing's changing. But now, I've finally seen that there's hope for me. There's a chance that I can still make it. I can still make it.
Thank you for telling me your story. I know it can be disturbing to some of our viewers. O te iloa o lau mai mo mai le whaataranonga nei. It was her story. Mau te iloa o loo sa matamata ua wha o Sofia Langona ua misi alofa. Ua ino ino ma ua malingi foi o lui mata nei taia. O matamata atu le whaataranonga. Au le mea ua o ielo mafufau. Peto a fia ni whanau tene a le atunu. E le o mawhai o na whaamatala le tala lea. Matau le mea na tu. Masa ili se fesoasoani. O malu whanau, i to tonu o tātu ainga. Athei? O loo tālu sia e avela na tala na whaamatala. E avea o se whaamalo si au, whaaloto tele, i whanau tine a lea tunu, o loo a afia, i sā wanga nei, ina ia whaamatala, ma ta ule tala, ma sa ili se fesoasoani. A loo utalo sia foi, ia vela na tala na whaamatala, o se whale a onga mō tātou. Ai mai sa I mea neo te maita. Whanau te maita I o lea tunu. Talo whai. Ai ma eu fo I le toa ma le hata mai. E ui na le mana ia le tūlanga no o iai. A ua ia whaongai na o se step we tuai. Ma wha wau pea o na whai mea le lei mo ia I lana o. Au whanau te mai ta ele tunu. Young girls like her going through the same thing and can't talk. When are you going to talk? Whanau te mai ta ele tunu o la fia le mea nei. A le whamatala ma le tau. O le ale mwhai ona e sa loto. Ma le mwhai ona whai se ngai inga. E tā ofi ai. Ma mutai ma olo pala inai. Whainga whapea a ila ato. Olo fifi e whai le mene. Koe fo I ele o la okala I le mea nkupu. Le tala le sa wha sa o atuana pua. O le teini titi na wha mahalo si ele whaifi au. Oso rol tintiti. Taulon ta maa, salon ta maa. Whai tala mo le whiau, whaato ese ele whaifi au. O le nuu o le anga I mea le a whai se whai unga le whaifi au. A toi whai ta maa le nuu. A wal whai ese me le whaifi au le uman whai whaato ese nga le whaifi au. Mwha maula lo ma le whaifi au. Si. Wa ku le whai ngā mea lea. Wa mai le whai ngā I whonga po o akala o le whako ese nga whai. Le o whai. E whaafe whea le alu toto nā whia. O lo tāsia. E vea le porkala mina mai mo manil tātou atunu. O se whalo te tele I a tātou whanau. A mo mielu sosani. Get up, go get yourself somebody that can help you. I think I'll porkala mina mo ni tai au. Ma lo mai mo mai tātou atunu. Amelis kankare ko mengi merga ko porkala me. Why do you have to end in a program like that? Why not? Why not? Manuel tātou atunu le whai ngol ni vai aso. Angala leile tua ma wha manuia I a Samoa. Tātou anga ia tu mori wha mana tuina la sa pati tae upolofola I le uwhinga renga alo mana le upu le aso a tae au. Si au dio fui la le aso ngofua le aso asau. Tātou tue whelo ai. Tui le nei mai Samoa o whato wha soi fuatu. Mai lo tātou atunu I Samoa. Tātou tue whelo ai le aso asau. Soi fua mai maria. Wha soi fua.